Here we have the Toyota Supra MK4 with lights and engine sound. Engine idling is actually recorded from the actual car. The car is off right now. To wake it up, press the button and the car will beep twice. Pressing the button again will turn on the parking lights. Press the button again and the low beam and tail lights will come on. High beams, fog lights, hazard blinkers. Pressing it again will blink the parking lights really fast and the engine will start. Again, the engine is actually recorded from the actual car. The engine will idle as long as you don't press the button to change mode. Pressing the button again will turn on the light and the last mode will shut down the car. And that's a Toyota Supra MK4 engine idle kit. Let's watch the video again without me talking all the way through.